In this video, I take on the hardest Among Us cubing challenge. I have to solve one Rubik's Cube every time that I kill somebody or when I do a task. During meetings, I'm not allowed to cover up by saying that I was solving my cube. Okay, guys.
It's Aqua. It's Aqua. I saw them kill Green.
Aqua?
Cosmo did it right in front of me.
Okay.
He self-reported.
Okay, wait. If it isn't Aqua, then you can just vote me out. How about that?
I kind of believe
Vote for
Jaden's very
Aqua.
trustworthy.
Yeah,
but,
I believe Jaden. See, he has the balls to say, if it's not
Okay.
him, vote me.
Okay,
I
well,
think
it's
we should.
Aqua. If you want, you can just vote us both out. That works too.
It's kind
can't
of
do that.
split.
Okay,
Should we
how
skip
about
this vote?
It's legit Aqua. I saw them kill Green.
You were running away from the body, and as soon as you saw me, you turned around and like reported it.
Cosmo, because he's sound
No.
panic. Jaden sounds
Wait, my.
Got another one.
I think we vote Aqua this time.
Where was it?
In the bottom of top, like, reactor or whatever. Engine, I don't know what it's called.
I was in electrical.
I was
that's
in
right.
admin. I
who
just went to
fixed the
admin.
lights.
I was in navigation.
I fixed the lights and then went to the top right of electrical to do those like spinning circle stuff.
I don't like
Okay.
the way Barrett said that. We all
Yeah,
skip.
just skip.
Thick worm, skip. Thick worm has not been working right now.
Okay, everybody, that we have 2 kills under our belt. Okay, so my next task, electrical. Right, okay, yeah.
Who was in electrical?
I was in electrical.
I was in
lifting
electrical
around.
with Beckett.
I was in
and Barrett.
communications. I was in communications.
I came from lower engine. What I did is I was at
It's
upper
Barrett. Because
engine.
I was in admin and someone reappeared in lower engine through the vents. It's Barrett.
You're sure about this?
If he isn't,
You killed.
I'm not though. I promise.
Easy
Ryan, you're such an
stuff.
idiot. You're such an idiot, Ryan.
You should just
Ryan
listen.
literally
getting
was just
bullied.
blaming a random people.
Okay, guys, so I am crewmate. Oh no, come on, don't kill me. Card swipe, don't mess this up. Okay, accepted. Now I have to solve my cube. Hopefully I'm muted. Okay, there we go. Jeez, this is difficult.
Oh, too.
I was
was
in
in security.
electrical with Cosmo.
I was doing comms.
I saw
Comms,
Matthew
and then I
doing
did-
card swipe. I don't think it's Matthew or
anyone-
Cosmo.
I was also in admin doing what do you call that? Like, was it the wiring? I was doing either the wiring or the like.
You know
the,
there's a vent from
Mm.
O2 to admin, right?
I think it's Hayes.
Ooh.
Could it be a software?
Yeah. No, it's not. It's
Okay.
not.
Where
I
were
feel
you,
like
Lily? The
Lily's-
whole what task did you do?
So I went to electrical and I did the circle thingy where you push the button and lock it in. And then I went to comms and I waited just to make sure there wouldn't be a stack kill. And then I went up to nav, behind the steering, and then was about to do the clearing the chute in O2. And then I
shoot.
found Claire's.
I think it's you.
It's Hayes.
What?
Hayes and Lily. I'm
What?
saying it
Alright.
now.
Okay. I'll do navigation. Okay, there we go. And now I have to find a safe place to solve my cube. Okay, you know what? I have to do this.
Okay, Hayes didn't do
Okay,
this.
well, I died, so,
Body
like...
was, I don't know what's called. Is it O2 or something? Like the one below the shooting thing.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah.
Well, I guess I have
I'm
a
sus
free
of
bit
Cosmo
to
now because
solve my cubes.
he was hiding from me and then he started moving.
The reason I'm
after
going to the top
that.
is because I thought I had the task at the top engine, but like I didn't know where it was because the one at the bottom was in there. And it turns out I didn't have the task at the top of engine. And I was just being stupid.
Okay,
No,
everybody.
but I saw Cosmo like
So,
beating-
I guess I can, like, scramble some
I
cubes
at the beginning of the
just
game.
to
I saw
give
Cosmo
me
and
No,
Ron.
there's no
some
visual.
more task
I know, but-
things.
Still sus of
Still.
Lily. Okay, so what happened?
Yeah, I
Is you're an
think it.
admin and she was stationary, and then the thing, like the reactor goes off, or the O2 goes off, and then she
trying
starts
to
to
watch
move.
the bar to see if when you
Okay.
did tasks, it went up.
Where
Well,
were you,
that
Beckett? Where's
quickly.
Beckett?
I was
This is
in.
not
10
much.
seconds.
I don't remember.
I voted
honestly.
Hayes. I think it's him. Also, I haven't heard anything from Beckett, purple or orange.
So, medbay scan, let's just... crap.
It's orange. He just faked medbay scan.
Visual task is on.
I know, but when you go do
Okay, there you go.
automatically puts your guy onto the center.
Yeah, I went on it and it said waiting for MatthewCubes.
Okay,
So
Matthew
skip.
must
Matthew
be doing
Cubes
it.
is a ghost. Yeah, I
Should
still
we
think
try
it's
voting?
Hayes.
Vote
Wait,
Hayes,
actually,
let's vote
no.
Hayes.
I want to hear from Beckett. What were you doing?
I was taking out the storage trash.
Like the leaves?
Oh, Beckett's
Yeah.
getting sussed hard.
And
Like,
where's that
Jay?
in storage? Where's that in storage?
I was in electrical.
What
Is
were you doing?
anyone?
Hayes was in there.
I think
Hey,
it's
where were
Sinead
you?
and Hayes.
I'm pretty sure it's Lily.
Let's all vote Hayes. Let's all vote Hayes.
Already skipped. Whoops.
I'm pretty
I'm still
sure. Yeah, it's Hayes and Sinead.
I still think it's Lily.
Oh, so this is my medbay scan solve that I just did. I thought I finished it, but like a body was reported, so oh, I just saw someone vent. Don't know who that was though. Okay. Time to do a solve. Okay, I am not doing too well today. Yeah, I'm not solving well today. Kind of cold outside. Do another electric thing. Okay, never mind.
Right by the table.
I saw Ryan
Table.
running with Beckett to
They better
O2.
catch on. Lily's reported.
I know
2
it's not
bodies.
Jaden.
Hey, whoa,
'cause
wait, hold on.
actually,
Ryan,
I
what
don't
happened? Where did Beckett go? When did you guys split up?
I can't remember. I think he went up.
Yeah, you both went up. Beckett's dead.
Beckett's dead.
I think it's wrong.
I'm kind of sus of Jaden though, because Jaden came into O2 from weapons.
Alright, I was back at the reactor doing like that number thing where you put the numbers in order.
Oh, yeah, I saw
and
you
then
do
I
that.
was
I saw
going
you
over
do
to the
that.
navigation,
You were at
and
admin.
then I was in cafeteria, and that's when the O2 thing went off, and then that's how I went from O2 from weapons.
I still
Yeah,
think it's
sure.
Lily. Ryan's
100%.
out, I guess.
Yeah, that's why I voted Ryan.
Damn. Okay, well, let's see.
Let's finish that. Get the solve done. Yes, one solve done. I finished the shields task as well. Well, I messed up the H-frame, don't know how. Oh, I need a reactor. Well, they better get that oxygen. Okay, so I'll just solve. Okay, there we go.
Guys, we're
Right
almost done our
under
task. We're so close.
Let's
Let's
see.
just finish.
I'm kind of sus of Sinead because she was the last person I saw
Wait, who
near
is
Hayes.
brown?
And also she ran away from
Lily.
oxygen when it went off.
Okay, I
Hmm?
can clear Lily. Skip and finish our task. So you
Where
need to
were
do
you?
one
Where were
more.
you, Barrett?
I was at cafeteria, and then I was going over to oxygen once it was called.
Guys, who still has
Okay.
tasks?
Not me.
I have one left.
You just need to finish your task and then we're finished.
Yeah, let's just skip then.
Okay, come on. Yes, stick in. Okay, yeah, stick together in threes. But oxygen. Oh no, they're gonna lose. Oxygen's done.
Okay, it's one of you two. Well, you guys split up then.
Everyone else was going to admin, so it'll be logical to go to O2.
Wait, no, both of you guys had to have split up. I
I
literally
was
just
orange
found him
and
outside the door
O2.
at admin.
Me and Purple were together.
Okay, you
at
know what?
O2.
You can vote me off, but just know that after you'll see it's not me. I can't believe this. That's actually so big brain. Okay, it actually wasn't me. It wasn't me.
You just gave up.
Yes, boys.
What do you
That
mean?
was really
Okay,
well
Guys,
played.
yeah.
Thanks.
Ryan,
That's
we
right.
got you
Yeah.
instantly.
I know
Barrett,
I'm awful at
But
being
you
imposter.